Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Ease Ultra High Strength Hangover Cure and Prevention Pills, 120 capsules, 50x super concentrated extract with DHM, the strongest anti-hangover prevention pills available. Make sure you drink a lot of water with it before you go to bed. This is God's gift to the world. Take it right before bed, and you're set. No hangover, no headache. Don't expect a miracle cure, but this product does seem to help with getting yourself feeling better after a long night of drinking. 5 miles 3 times a week more to get back to enjoying the outdoors rather than for cardio. Went to Vegas recently for 3 days of non-stop drinking, and gambling, pool parties, and clubbing. This isn't some marketing ploy, or those gas station bulls cures. This is the real deal. This doesn't cure a hangover, but it definitely takes the edge off, and makes living the next day more than acceptable. Pros: felt little to no noticeable side effects during the night, or the next morning, unlike other hangover meds that have given me symptoms like cotton mouth, dizziness, upset stomach, and headaches. Was lucky to try this product at all stages from conception to beta to where it is today. Super impressed with the due diligence research trials that went into creating the final perfect product. Definitely worth the price not to throw up all day after moderate to heavy drinking the night before. Woke up at around noon the next day feeling like a champ, and went to the gym, and jogged a 5K. Felt great. Went to sleep at like 2:30 am-ish, and woke up at 5 am all good. 5-hour energy before bed, and in the morning you can get close to the same results. Was skeptical at first, but was pleasantly surprised to wake up feeling great the next day. The packaging is beyond wasteful, and 6 packets is too few except for a first trial. She woke up the next day super ramp, and full of energy, which if you had seen her the night before, you wouldn't have believed it. Given people are probably reading this to find hangover cures, here are 2 that do work. This product is a great idea. Invention definitely reduces if not eliminates the symptoms of a hangover. Not only does it work insanely well, but the ingredient inside of it is actually good for you. Definitely a product for those people doing the 3-night party marathon on vacation, and pounding alcohol like water, or people that don't want hangover. Didn't want to end up going too hard the first night, and not making it through the rest of the weekend. With elevated ease capsules, there is no taste whatsoever, and it's very convenient, easy to take. Needless to say, the 2 that were already passed out made it to the living room floor, and passed out again. Hell no, but it definitely means that this stuff saved his bacon, and maybe his job. Took by, and woke up the next morning with absolutely no headache, or stomachache. If you go hard on Sundays, and then have to work Mondays, this is what you need. Taking Toniiq solved these problems, and make me feel great after a night of drinking. If you're like me, and basically can't function the next day after a night out, then you definitely need Toniiq. Worked for me. Take as directed before you go to bed after a night of drinking, and the next morning. Works. Lima claims. Went on a 7-day cruise, and drank every day almost. But if your alcoholism symptoms are at an 8, it might bring them down to a 6. These come on convenient go packages, so you can put some in your car, or purse, and have them on hand. It also is a healthier way to detox your body, especially when you are not feeling good the next day. Nice idea nonetheless, good for convenience, but ultimately is an overpriced Ganoderma lucidum supplement at the end of the day. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.